Alright y'all, I've lost almost 90 pounds on keto. I'm about to show you how to make a fathead pizza dough that even your kids will enjoy. After getting the oven preheated to 425, I like to line my pan with parchment paper for easy cleaning and to keep your pizza dough separate. Now let's start collecting those ingredients. I like to put 3/4 cup of almond flour in one bowl, 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese in another bowl. Don't forget your 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and you also need an egg, beaten. Yes. Next step, you're gonna add your cream cheese to your cheese. Throw that in the microwave for a total of 90 seconds. We'll go ahead and start with 45 seconds. Go ahead and pop that sucker open. Give her a little stir. Doesn't have to be perfect. Throw that back in there for another 45 seconds. All right, 90 seconds in the microwave. That's about what she should look like. Then you go ahead and throw your beaten egg in there. Throw your almond flour in there. Now you're really just going to use your hands. You're just going to mush it on up so it makes a nice ball. But do be careful. Melted cheese, a little warm. After you got her nice and squished up, I'm going to transfer that over to the sheet. Go ahead and flatten it out. Keep going until you're about a 1/4 inch thick. I have just discovered using another piece of parchment paper makes the smoothing process so much easier, so much prettier. Gonna throw them in for the initial bake for 6 minutes. 6 minutes, open oven, relieve the air. Flatten it back on down there. Now we're going to close her up for another 4 minutes. And bam! Keto crust is done. Doesn't stick. Almost looks like a pancake. But I don't have to tell you how to top a pizza. You're on your own now.